Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna and today on my channel we are doing a good old-fashioned Ipsy unboxing. So if you want to see what I got this month at Ipsy, then keep on watching. All my socials and everything are listed down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video before you leave. So yeah, so let's open up this bag and see what I got, because I can't remember. I always say I can't remember what I got, but that's because, it takes weeks for things to show up before some people start to think I don't have a good memory. I actually do. Okay. Oh, Purlisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. Oh, okay. Very nice. Oh boy, it's, there we go. I'm really starting to get interested in this Purlisse brand. I have this eye cream from theirs. Again, I got it in an Ipsy bag. I'll put a picture of it here. Actually, it almost looks exactly like this, except it's this big. And it's really great. And it's really nice around the eyes, very hydrating. And I don't even think it was an add-on. I'm pretty sure it came in the actual Ipsy bag. I've had it for a few months. So when I saw that they had more Purlisse stuff, I'm like, you know what? Let's add it on. I want to try more. We got a cleansing milk, gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, tones and soothes, soap and sulfate free, all skin types. Oh, okay. So that's really nice. I've been needing more cleansers. I have so many serums and moisturizers, all this stuff. But when it comes to actually washing the face, I'm like, I have one thing and it's low. So that's why I bought that. And I got here a lip scrub from Naked Cosmetics. Oh no. My Ciate watermelon lip scrub here. I don't know if it's broken, but it's leaked all over me and it's sticky. Oh God. Oh no. Okay. Well, I think, yeah, there's a slit. There's a slit right there. Can you guys see it? Yeah, that's great. That's in the garbage. Okay. I might email them about that. That's unfortunate. How did that happen? Oh, well, that would be how that happened. Before everyone sees my address, there's an absolute gash right through it right here. And you can literally see the lip balm has leaked through. Oh my goodness me. I didn't see that. I just got this. My bag is not ripped. It's cute. It's got little people sun tanning, but it is full of lip balm. So I have to wipe that off, but it didn't get sliced. Okay, so I will clean that in a second, but everything inside should be fine. I have here Locket Setting Powder Translucent. This is KVD. We're just going to keep it totally controversial today. I just did my other video, as you can see probably because I look the same, for my Sigma brushes that I just got. And I just explained why I bought all those brushes, because I don't want to support Jeffree Star anymore. Kind of Morphe too. But it's not really Kat Von D. It's, what is it? Vegan something. It's changed its name. So anyways, we got some translucent setting powder. I like Jeffree Star, and then I was using Tati Beauty, and then I have Kat Von D here. That was not the plan. But okay. What do I have here? Ofra. Ooh, a highlighter. Ofra and Talia Mar highlighter, Covent Garden. Ooh, I don't have this one. In my other unboxing of Ofra stuff, I got a mystery bag, and I got the Soho highlighter. I believe that was the Talia Mar one. Oh my gosh, look at this. Let me open this here so you can see better. That is really nice. Oh my God. And I love Ofra highlighters so much. Yeah, I'm going to put it right here. Oh my gosh. What is that? It's a soft pink purple in the vicinity, somewhere like that. That is really gorgeous. Wow. I love that. It wouldn't go with what I'm wearing. Darn it. Okay, already so worth it. Okay, because Ofra highlighters are $35. But again, it's not in the thicker packaging that they do, but I'm fine with this because this is, I would assume it's the same pan size, but I have to look it up. And then I have here, oh boy, this is gonna be fun to say. I'm just gonna call it Mayel. Sorry, it's probably how you say it. Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips. That's nice. I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna put a little bit of this on. I have a little bit of orange in my eyes. If you didn't see my Sigma unboxing of my bajillion brushes that I got, I'll link it up here. But I am wearing the Tati Beauty palette right now. Doesn't smell like anything. That's nice. Next thing here, Eggplant Clearing Mud Cream Mask. Okay. All right. This is that Papa Recipe? That's what that is. Okay. Gliding cream texture with clay powder to remove sebum and help moisturize dehydrated skin. You know what? That's really good because I have quite a lot of sebum. I don't know how else to say it. On my nose. So I'm always doing that thing. You know, if you have one of those machines that kind of like sucks out all the oils and stuff. I have to do it like once a week on my nose. So that's nice. And then I have here Essen Herb Tea Tree Foam Cleanser. Yes. Another cleanser. I just said I needed more cleansers. Removes skin impurities and supplies moisture. Okay, good. Excellent. So that's really unfortunate that my Ciate lip gloss is got all slashed. I don't know. Is it worth like calling or like emailing Ipsy about it? It's okay. I'm sure that one was like the $3 one or something. So it's fine. That's never happened before, and I've had Ipsy for like 2 years, so I'm not too worried if that's going to be a trend. All in all, that was a really good box. I mean, we have Ofra highlighter, which in and of itself that's a beautiful shade. My goodness, that would go so nice with the ColourPop, the tie-dye collection, the In a Trance palette. I recently used that, and I've used it a couple times since then. So that would go gorgeous with that. I got herb cleanser. I got a nice tinted lip here, a nice mud cream mask, translucent powder, you know, brand side, you know, a nice little powder is always good to have. I got a lip scrub, which I actually should go do because my lips are ridiculous. And a nice cleansing milk here. And that's a decent size. Like that's going to last me now a long, long time. And there we have it. That was my entire bag. Not too many add-ons this month, but I know for next month, the options that came out for July for Ipsy were amazing. And I literally bought as many add-ons as, you know, they let me until everything just kind of blocked out. And they're like, okay, you have to check out now because there were good deals and there were good products that I use. So stay tuned for that. That will probably happen in about a month or so. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that one. Anyways, that's it for me here. Don't forget to like this video, please, and to consider subscribing. And if you like this video, then check out the ones that are popping up on screen right here. I go into more detail into all the new palettes that are coming out, new makeup, new skincare, my palette collection, and all that kind of stuff. And I have so many more videos that are coming up, and I know you're going to find something you're going to love to watch. I hope you and your families are all doing well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.